Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Home Cooking with Dana. Today I am going to be sharing one of the most famous Indian appetizers, chicken pakora. Imagine tender pieces of chicken marinated in a blend of spices, coated in a light and crispy batter, and fried to perfection. Let's start cooking, and if you like this dish, give a thumbs up and subscribe to see more recipes.
Here we have all the ingredients to make the chicken pakoras. Cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces and into that add half a teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 2 teaspoons salt, 1 teaspoon garam masala and 1 teaspoon chili powder. Next add rough garlic paste and 1 teaspoon of ginger paste. Add about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and give this a good mix. Let the chicken marinate for about 30 minutes. This helps to absorb the flavors into the chicken. After 30 minutes, let's add the rest of the ingredients. 1 large onion finely chopped, 1 cup of coriander roughly chopped, dried fenugreek leaves, this is optional, 1 cup of besan flour and 1.5 tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix all the ingredients together and then start adding 4 tablespoons of water little by little. These onions and coriander leaves give a great flavor into the chicken pakora. The batter should be this consistency, not too runny or thick. I've set aside some green chili to add later since I am planning to make one batch of pakoras without chili. Heat oil in a pan and fry until chicken pakoras are golden brown and crispy, about 5 to 7 minutes per batch. Fry these in batches to avoid overcrowding the pan. Now I am going to add the green chilies to make the spicy chicken pakoras, and after that continue frying. These pakoras are crispy from outside and juicy on the inside. There are many dipping sauces to go with this. I am using sweet chili sauce. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.